What's up? Wait, What's up everyone, it's your girl Njerie Gitau here. For those who are new to the channel, welcome, karibuni. Feel free to take a seat and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family. For those who are back for the second, third, or even umpteenth time, then welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share how I undo my faux locks over here. I remember when I used to do faux locks a while back for my friends, they used to ask like, how do you undo them after like 4 weeks, some of the month or whatever is over. And that's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Now my faux locks have been in for about 4 weeks and I'm about done with them also. Like, they just look some type of way. So I want to switch it up, try another protective style, and that is why we are doing this video today. Now, before I continue giving you many stories, let's just jump straight into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is start by removing the accessories. If you haven't watched how I accessorize my faux locks video, you can check it out over here. I'll link it over there. So the first thing I'll do is remove the accessories, and then I can get to the actual undoing of my faux locks. Now the second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try and clip away part, like to tie away part of my hair so that I have a systematic way of working on the faux locks without them getting in my face and in my way. And then for every faux lock, it's going to be pretty simple. I'm going to establish where I sort of looped the hair on top. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can check out the tutorial that I did on how to do these faux locks. So I'm going to establish that, then sort of untwist it. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to unwrap it in the opposite direction until I get to the root. Then I'm going to undo the braid that is underneath. Now for this particular undoing, is that English? Process, I'm not going to be spritzing my hair with water, and that's because the minute I spritz this with water, it becomes harder to work with. So just check out the process as I undo it, and it'll probably make more sense as you see it in action. So I decided to come up close so that you can probably see it better. This is the end where I wrapped it, so I'm just gently pulling it and it will unravel, as you can see. And then I realized a simpler way to do it is to just sort of pull the places where I've wrapped, and it sort of just comes or slides off the braid that is underneath. And where that doesn't work, that's where that I get the other braid and I try to unwrap it just to loosen it a bit, and then go ahead and gently pull. Sometimes you'll find that it gets stuck at the end because of accumulated braid, but when you are persistent and continue just doing it gently, you will realize that it starts to unravel or even untangle if you may. And I repeat the same process along the entire shaft of my hair until I get to the base. And at the base, I don't pull, I just unwrap all the way to the bottom so that I don't end up pulling at my roots. Once I get there, you see that there I have my braid, and then we had attached a braid loosely at the base. You can see this is my hair and this is the braid. So my hair was the third part of that braid, and I'm just going to undo the braid gently the way you'd do a normal braid. rather the way you'd undo a normal braid. And I do it as gently as possible because this is near to my hair and I don't want it to get snagged, I don't want it to break, I don't want it to be affected in any way. So there we have it, and the braid is off. As you can see, we've already done these 3 and we're going to go and do the same exact process for the entire head of hair. Now that I'm done undoing my hair, you can see I'm left in the twists that I had installed before I did the faux locks. I'm going to go ahead and undo these twists off camera, and then I'm going to wash my hair. And yeah, that's my hair. That's pretty much the process. I will end the video at this point because I've already shown you the essence of what the video was about. Thank you for watching. I hope that when you actually have the faux locks, this will come in handy when it comes to undoing them. Hopefully it can make it a bit easier for you, because the 2 techniques I shared, the one I shared at the beginning and the one I shared via the zoomed in clip, have actually made it easier for me to be able to undo my faux locks. And also my faux locks were not burnt at the end, so that works for those that have been wrapped up as opposed to burnt at the ends. I really hope that makes sense, because it makes sense to me. Now, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get alerts whenever I drop new videos, which is every week. Now, I will see you in the next one.